Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Elementor, whether you've accidentally deleted an element, uploaded the wrong image, or simply changed your mind about a design choice. Knowing how to quickly undo your actions will save you time and frustration while building your WordPress pages. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your entire website. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section and click on Add Page. This will create a new page for you to work with. After that, click on Edit with Elementor. This action will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, which is where you'll be designing and customizing your page. Now let's walk through a practical example to demonstrate how the undo function works. Say you want to add an image to your page. On the left side of the Elementor interface, you'll see the Widgets menu. This menu contains all the building blocks you can use to create your page. Look for the image widget and select it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be able to upload a new image directly from your computer, or you can choose an existing image from your media library. This flexibility makes it easy to work with images you've already uploaded to your site. Here's where the magic starts. Let's say you've uploaded an image, but you're not satisfied with your choice. Maybe it's the wrong photo, or perhaps the styling doesn't match your vision. Instead of going through multiple steps to remove it and start over, you can simply press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is the undo command in Elementor. The moment you press it, the image you just added will be removed, taking you back to the state before you uploaded it. Now you can choose a different photo based on your preferences without any hassle. This undo function isn't limited to just images. It works for any action you take in Elementor, whether you're adding text, adjusting colors, moving sections around, or changing layouts. It's an incredibly powerful tool that gives you the freedom to experiment with your design, knowing you can always step back if something doesn't work out. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to effectively use the undo function in Elementor, giving you complete control over your page building process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.